Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Greg the Vibe Coder. This is lesson 1.3, the final HTML lesson, and it's the big one. In lesson 1.1, we built a bouncing ball. In lesson 1.2, we added a paddle you control with arrow keys. Today we're turning it into a complete breakout arcade game. Colored bricks, score, lives, win screen, game over screen, all in one HTML file, all from one prompt. Same 4 steps as always. Let's go. Step 1. Copy the prompt. This is the biggest prompt we've used so far. Here it is. Build a complete breakout game in one HTML file. Features: 3 rows of colored bricks, 6 per row. Paddle controlled by arrow keys. Ball bounces off walls, paddle and bricks. Score increases by 10 when a brick is destroyed. Player starts with 3 lives. Ball resets on miss. Win message when all bricks are cleared. Game over when lives reach 0. Display score and lives on screen at all times. Smooth animation using request animation frame. That's one prompt. That's all we need. I'm copying it now. Step 2. Paste into AI. New chat. Paste. Enter. Wait for it to finish. Look at that. The AI just wrote a complete arcade game. Every brick, every collision, every life counter. I didn't type a single line of code. Step 3. Run the code. Selecting all. Control+A, Control+C. Opening a fresh notepad. Pasting, Control+V. This is more code than the previous lessons. That's fine. You don't need to understand it. You just need to run it. File, save as, all files. Name it breakout.html. Save to the desktop. Drag the file on top of a browser to open. There it is. Colored bricks at the top, paddle at the bottom, score and live showing. Let me play it. Score going up, lose a life there, the ball reset automatically. 3 lives to start. This is a real game, and you built it with the help of an AI chatbot in about 2 minutes. Step 4. The vibe tweak. Find the number 3 in your code. That's the number of brick rows. Change it to 6, save, refresh. Now there are 6 rows of bricks instead of 3. Twice the game. 1 number changed. That's you in control of the difficulty. That's vibe coding. Extra credit. Want to go further? If you want to take this game to the next level, go back to your AI and paste this prompt. Add a power-up system to the breakout game. When a brick breaks, there is a 20% chance a yellow star falls. If the paddle catches the star, the ball slows down for 5 seconds and the paddle grows wider. Display a message on screen when the power-up is active. Copy it from the lesson page. There's a copy button right there. Paste it into the same AI chat. Hit enter. The AI will add the entire power-up system to your existing game. Stars falling from broken bricks, paddle growing, ball slowing down, a message on screen telling you the power-up is active. That's a feature you'd find in a commercial game, added with one prompt. Before we finish, think about this. 3 lessons ago, you had never built anything. Now you have a bouncing ball, a paddle game, and a complete arcade game with bricks, score, lives, and a win screen. How long did it actually take? That's vibe coding. You described what you wanted. The AI built it, you ran it, you tweaked it, you made it yours. That's HTML done. All 3 lessons complete. You can send that breakout game to anyone right now. They open the file in their browser and they can play it. That's yours. Next up, we're moving to Python, where we build programs that think. Greeting apps, number games, and a text adventure where your choices matter. See you in Python.